customers when see the when see never.
Yeah. Welcome back on the show. Our topic for today now say whether it is okay for man to tell his wife how much he collect as salary.
Bam.
Is they okay? I be not they okay?
Yes or no?
Yes or
and
no?
Why?
And why? Yes. Our phone numbers go there on top of TV now. Make una begin the call us. But we'll go start with our guest waiting for inside studio. Lickle T.
What is Lickle T?
Tea way small now.
Lickle. Wait, KK for me TT.
No,
Lickle
it's
T.
It's a Rastafarian something.
Lickle.
You see, Lickle. Yo, man, give me some Lickle shop body now.
Yeah, little T. Little is Lickle is a pronunciation in Jamaican for little.
So for the other for those Jamaican, that's what you are saying.
Yes, I. No, I come from Jamaica, but I'm still rap in a way, you know.
Hey! Welcome! So, I am 9 man. I am 9 sweet 5 man now. So, I am 9.
How you want take as a now? How you take learn this thing when you
So,
for
I am 9. What you have to teach you? You have to so part one now.
Yes.
Baba, your own, your own. I like the creativity. They add your own style to right now, so that's what's up.
My brother, part one. Now be so Pato Ranking take mixed flights. Pato Ranking go Jamaica according to Dogu. Then go Jamaica. Now they easy bit, not be smart something. That be so then they wait for their flight. Now because they just announced. Man, second man, flight, yeah. But the right just see they follow the guy talking. Nah, my brother. What are you telling me? Now and somebody come. We don't need airports don't they empty and they say their flight now 3 o'clock. 3 o'clock don't pass. Don't they go like 3:30? Now Pato can go. The other guy Odogo can go meet the flight attendant. Say how far now? We never call our flight. Now the man say, "Bumbo class man, your flight me have to call your one. Ask your brother Pato Ranking, he must speak part one." Now but the guy come, but don't Pato Ranking come now, but I can go. Why I say? Yeah. Why the man what say happen now on flight now? Pato Ranking, Pato, I just normal.
But this one,
Tick, when the man called the last, Bombo club, man, shock at now the guy can say, Biko. The other content the flight guy say, Biko, nigga, I beg, help us. Now the guy say, your brother, they understand part one now. Now, when Godo can say, Biko, nigga, now the Jamaican guy say, oh, it will not you, you are nigga one. Now flight, who not happen at so now flight, you don't go. But the don't say my brother, leave that part well. We now know. Family can even live in the book. So Lickle on, you know, it could maybe. Edmond,
it's possible.
how is you?
I do fine.
How is your ministry?
I really could name Edmond.
It's very fine.
We got Lickle T, the man from the Jamaican man, inside the studio, man, Boka. But before you talk to Lickle T, I beg, our topic, chook mouth.
Yeah. That is very good. It's not very proper.
It's not very proper for you to tell your wife your salary.
Yes.
Why?
Sometimes if you tell your wife the actual amount you receive
From work.
salary, you always like to squander it all.
Oh, she go one squander all of them.
Why? She go first and come out from your hands, squander them.
Because you people, women, some of you have.
Bob Betty, I need no evil women. You carry chickens. Like you.
Edmond,
Me, evil women. How can you continue? When you say you
my
evil
brother,
women.
he can know it in the talk. In your talk.
I not be women.
He say evil women. Are you evil? Why? When I say you be, you're now guilty conscience. What are you? You are evil.
I'm a women, they do.
Edmond, thank you. But the could make I ask you, then, if you don't marry now, you go fit. Hello, good evening.
Yeah, no do Katrina. Good evening.
Ma,
How is you?
Edmond,
Is very, very well. On the price.
What is your name?
My name is Mebaka from Port Harcourt.
Mia Baka.
Yes. You see, with me,
Mongopaka.
it's good and it's not good. It's good because, you know, if you and the woman agree, say, no secret, for better, for worse.
Okay.
You understand?
Yeah.
It could make it so make that be no secret. Make sure you know everything where you they get. Make yourself know everything where she they get.
Okay.
You know,
No secret.
that way, so that whether one person self die, the wife go know everything when husband get. Or wife go. Know.
You don't marry, Paka. You don't marry, Paka. Paka, you don't marry.
I don't marry. From the
Your wife know your salary.
Me, I agree from the beginning. There's no secret.
She did, yeah.
Yes.
Give her phone.
When no good be say.
Paka, wait, Paka. Give your wife phone, Paka.
Give her phone. Okay.
Why you dey laugh?
She dey come, oh. She dey.
Hey, yeah, she dey come.
Not tell her wetin to talk.
Not tell her what to talk. Where she dey?
I can't talk. They say, I know that they talk like.
Why you dey tell am now? Wait now. I tell you make you tell am. Madam, good evening.
Good evening.
Madam, you know how much your husband dey collect a salary?
Everything where they enter in hand, I know.
So now who dey spend them?
2 of us they spend, 2 of us they work.
Well, the calculation of the money when they spend, who they keep the calculation?
No, 2 of us know where we they spend money on now. If we want buy anything, we go agree, plan, buy them. That's what they do.
I for ask you how much be your husband's salary, but I not go ask you.
I'm not going to tell you.
Anyway, thank you very much. Good night, Mrs. Packer. Good night.
You like the name?
I like the name Packer. I want to tell they pack something. And look from Lagos here. Nobody will give us chance to talk to Likuti today. Hello from Lagos here. Good evening.
No, they must.
Now Likuti, before we take the next call, if you as you never marry, I know say you never marry.
Yeah, most definitely.
But if you don't marry, talk true and shame the devil.
Yes.
Your wife will go no because I know you. I know what you can do. Your wife will go know your salary.
Listen to where your can-do attitude will reflect in this.
Let your part one nature come in now. I am now mom. Me if you know show my wife no salary. Boom, boom, flat.
Anyway, you know what me I go do?
Me I go do again.
Me I go show her the real
thing.
Me taking and me work now. So me need to show her our promise when we vote. Yeah, I understand. So when me
just to not be dead like this man this week.
My brother, now I have forward. I have forward inside.
Exactly. So well let me.
My brother,
I come back to you.
Thank you.
Confirm. Actually, I go show my babe. I go show my wife. You know, I'm not used to that wifey kind of word. I go show my wife my salary.
Why?
Because I am the head of the house. I believe I have my power.
My brother, are you talking this thing from your church mind or
most
from the bottom of
definitely,
your...
I'm going to show my wife. Yeah, most definitely. Very, very.
Girl.
Yeah, for real. For real.
My brother, I not trust you.
But I am going to...
How you go get this guy head? Show your wife for salary. Person will get now you are easy bit. Nobody will get this guy head. They show your wife salary. How much is not possible.
Yes, of course. Why not? Why not? It's nothing bad, you know.
Likuti.
Hey. Don't be saying now she go tell me waiting I go use my money do. Now me go spend my money the way I want it.
Hey, you think that after you spend
After you spend them, after I tell her you can't spend them, please go there.
Give me 5.
Hello, good. I go give you 1 juice. Good evening. Hello.
Well, provided she is understandable.
You see,
He don't change them now. Michael. You see the matter where they there for women be saying. Woman, according to me,
Okay.
not besides say they back their wife's salary.
no.
But
There are 2 things involved.
now there are 2 things involved.
Yes.
If you tell woman your salary, now for instance example, you tell her say they collect 300,000 a month. Now once she don't collect, she go make friends with people in the office. Then go get PP group. Then don't pay salary, don't drop. They'll come begin ask your husband, honey, give me. Why you don't ask him? The next time you come ask the man money, honey, I need money. Man go say money not there. Honey, how much have we spent from the salary? I know you collect 300,000, and we have
You just gave me 50,000.
Hello, Naya. Good evening.
Good evening, Nedu and Katim.
Good
evening.
Took much for this talk.
Nedu, I want to proudly hit my hand on my chest and tell you that I know every dime that my husband is earning, and he knows every dime that I'm earning. Month end, when the money comes, we sit down and deliberate.
Oh, she.
We'll make our budget. This is your pocket money for the month. This is my own for the month. This is for the children. This is our extra spending. Then this one is our...
Hey, Naya.
We
Now.
get 2 or 3
Now.
questions for you. Naya, call us back.
From Ikorodu, good evening.
Adebayo.
Bayo,
Good evening.
you don't marry.
I don't marry now.
Your wife know your salary.
Yes.
Are you sure? Your wife did there?
No, she know there, but she know my salary. She even hold my ATM. Now she dey collect the money.
It's okay. Now we not ask you. We just ask you if you know your salary. It's just your salary that we.
I never thank you with that here. You know why? Why I say two things they involved. Why you not collect that 300K? Your wife knows that 300K they collect. Then she go ask you money first time. Say, oh baby, or honey, or mommy, daddy, give me 50,000. He can't give him 50,000. Daddy, give me 20,000. He give him. Next day she can't. Next time she can't ask you. Because say, honey, there is no money. She go say,
Now.
230 supposed to remain. I beg you to come back. Or with the book buy some chicken break. Would they come back because.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.